Alright guys, today is Tuesday and we're back at it. Gonna get this carpentry work done today, finished up, do some painting. We got refrigerator coming today, we got Luis's display cabinet coming today. So we kind of got a busy day today. We're actually walking up right now to grab some more material for the carpenter to get this table built, finished. So, but anyways, I'm going to show you this area up here. Show you how busy it is in the morning. I think it's right around, I don't know, 8 o'clock, somewhere around there. So, 8:30? 8:30, so. This is only about a block away from where we're at. From where our store is. But this is like the bulk of the stores are all up in here. Laundry service, videoke for rent, little Sari Sari Store here. What's this stuff? What?
Oh, that's Downy.
Oh, that's laundry detergent in a bottle.
Yeah.
Oh, all right. And they got the rice back there. Hello. Eggs. You have these shops here selling food in the morning. Another little restaurant here. Another restaurant here. Selling meats here. The little Sari Sari Store there. Oh, they're selling fish. Selling eggs, rice, meats. Very busy here in the morning.
Yeah.
Oh, selling corn.
Yeah.
Hindi po. Fruits, vegetables, bananas, carrots, potatoes, coconuts. Keep strolling down here. And we got a little stand here selling eggs. Morning. I know at nighttime it gets crazy down through here. I'll have to come down here at night video because you get a lot of people coming home from work and stuff like that, and it gets loaded full of things. Rice, charcoal down there for sale. Another food restaurant. Morning. More fish. Hobby. Some of these are still closed. I think they'll open up later on. Another Sari Sari store here. Selling more food here. Good morning.
Good morning. Buboy? Dito ka ba na, Buboy?
Yeah, this is this little area right here, right as you come in. I gotta go find Lut. I'll take a stroll up here quick. Rice. Rice. Little bakery here. All right, let's go find Lut. Remember I was talking about manual labor the other day? These guys here are loading up these trucks. One's got sand, one's got stone. And it's all going to be done manually. No bobcat, no skid loader to load it up. All manual labor. All right, the appliance truck has arrived from Savers. Refrigerators here. I think we also picked up another fan and a stove, a gas stove for in here. So yeah, Savers has arrived with a refrigerator.
If you ever need to sign this up.
Everything's moving right along. Got the table complete. We're putting on the flashing on the table. Luis is going to cook on it, so we got to put this aluminum on the top of it. Running out of room in here. It's our refrigerator. Yeah, you can open here. All right, the appliance truck has arrived from Savers. Refrigerators here. I think we also picked up another fan and a stove, a gas stove for in here. So yeah, Savers has arrived with a refrigerator. Now here's the question. Good question. He's going to say, where do you want it? Good question.
Where's the place at?
Hang on. All right, there it is. Refrigerator has arrived. Everything looks good. I don't know where Louisa got off to. But yeah, nothing's broke. Refrigerator. So there it is. Refrigerator. Alright guys, it's the end of the day. I don't know, it's about 5 o'clock, somewhere around there. Carpenter just left. He finished up the job today. He did a decent job. I know guys were saying, save money, do it yourself. And you know what, if I had all my power tools here, I would. But I sold every single power tool that I owned back in the United States when I moved here. And I did price the tools, and they are a little on the expensive side. They're a lot more expensive here than they are back in the States. And I know somebody's going to say, yeah, but if you buy them, then you got them. Anyways, I'll think about that down the road. But my thing is manual labor. Everything is manual labor. Hand sawing everything. There's no power tools, and to me, you kill a lot of time just doing that. But then again, you're paying 500 pesos, for the day. Not even like $10. You're paying $10 for labor. But anyways, I'll show you what he all did here. This is our rice stand. Now I know in the previous video I had said about the stand that we were going to kind of get rid of it. Hang on, let me turn on the light. That we actually thought about, you know, having one completely built over, but he was saying that it is pretty strong, and he reinforced it and everything like that. And then we added on another bin to it. So we got 1, 2, 3. We got 6 bins to sell rice. So yeah, there's the rice bin that he completed today. Tomorrow, Luis and I, we're going to paint everything up. And then you had the shelving here. I did all these shelves right here. 1, 2, 3, 4 shelves all the way across. Yeah, there's the shelving, pretty strong. It's going to hold what we need it to hold. It's going to be, you know, it's going to serve the purpose that we want it for. And then we added this side table on here to the kitchen area. We put that aluminum flashing on there. Luis is going to cook on there, so we want to put that on there, you know, for when she cooks. It doesn't heat up the wood. And you can see the cabinet doors down below. We still need to work on that. Got to clean that up and paint all that. I got to put some latches on them doors so they, you know, so they stay shut. And got to still paint up underneath there. And today the refrigerator came, so we got the refrigerator today. We ordered a gas grill, a 2-burner gas grill for here, and we're going to do some cooking in here. You know, put up the propane tank and everything like that. The glass display cabinet was supposed to either come today or Luis said either today or tomorrow. So they never made it today, so I guess they'll be coming tomorrow. But yeah, got done what we needed to get done, and tomorrow's another day. And tomorrow we're going to do some work here. We're going to do some painting and hang out here and get this store up and ready, and get the show on the road and get this store up and ready. And I know I said that twice now. It's been a long day. I'm hot, but anyways, guys, if you haven't subscribed, take the time to subscribe. Like, share, dislike. Choice is always yours. Leave the comments down below, and tomorrow's another day.